Happy Friday, everybody. I hope that you are ready to finish this week off strong. So, we are starting with, a few reminders. First of all, warm up is due today. So, whenever you finish, make sure you take a picture of it. Remember, insert, image, camera. Take a picture of your work and put it on there if you haven't been doing that every day. If you just wait till the end of the week, that's fine. Second of all, if you want to reassess your test, then that is also due today. If you go to classwork on your Google Classroom and go to adding, subtracting integers, reassessment is right there, okay? I know some of you have turned it in. I am waiting until tomorrow afternoon this afternoon, to grade those so that I can grade them all at once, because if I grade them here and there, I'm going to miss somebody's. Remember, that video explains how the reassessments work. That's your reassessment, and that's just the notes practice again, explaining adding and subtracting integers if you need that. Do not forget also that today your IXLs are due. That's 16, 19, and 23. Several of y'all haven't even started them. That's not good. That's 3 grades in the grade book that by 3:30 today has to be done. So make sure you get those done. So now on to class today. So today you're going to have a Google Doc, and it's going to have this little riddle puzzle on here. I love these things. They're so much fun, and they really are good to self-check yourself. So today we're focusing on, and you got this at the top, what your goal is. Today's goal is to complete 1 through 11. That's this left side of the page. All the answers to these will be on the left side. So let me talk about a couple of them that are already, I know we're going to give you some trouble because we haven't done this in a while. Number 3, this is not a fraction, this is a division problem. That is 36 divided by 4. This is negative 60 divided by 12. So do that. Number 5, you have to work out the top as if it's its own problem. Work out the bottom like it's its own problem. And then you will divide the answers. 7, you multiply fractions straight across. You don't have to have a common denominator, nothing like that. So you'll just multiply straight across. And on this one, again, do the top, do the bottom, and then divide the answers. So if you have any specific questions on those when you're working on them, you can just message me on GoGuardian. Because the other students will be working on these too, so I should be able to answer pretty quick today. Also, your answer should be over here on the side. If it's not, you did something wrong. But if it is, then, so whatever the answer for number 1 is, you find the word and you put it where number 1 is. And as you go, you will get a sentence that answers the riddle, did you hear about? Now, we're only doing 1 through 11 today. We're going to do 12 through 22 on Monday. So if you finish through 11, then you can stop. If you don't get to 11, that's okay, but you need to be working the entire time. You should not just stop it. You shouldn't spend all class and be on 2. Okay? If you're working the whole time, then some of you will get to 11 and some of you may get to 5, 6, or 7, and that's fine. Okay? I have put the second page is where you're going to take a picture of your work. It is order of operations. You should be doing this on a piece of paper and working it out. Okay? You're going to take a picture of your work and put it here on the second page. The third page has the answers to 1 through 11. On Friday, I'll put up the answers to on Monday, get my days mixed up. I'll put up the answers to 12 through 22. Notice I did not give you the puzzle answers. I gave you the answer to the question. If all you do is type 1 is negative 12, 2 is 28, you do not get credit for this. Okay? I will make sure that you know you're supposed to do it the right way. So, IXL's due by the end of the day today. Work is 1 through 11 or until the end of class. Reassessment due by the end of the day today. Okay? If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask, and I hope you have a great, great, great weekend.